Hey, this is Katie from Niche Notion Templates on Etsy. If you have just purchased this homeschool dashboard or are thinking about purchasing it, I wanted to give you a little introduction about how it works. And in the next couple of videos, I'll give you a tutorial of some of the features and how easy it is to get set up and go in. So this is the dashboard. As a mom who has ADHD and a child who has ADHD, I needed a clean, simple way to start the day and see what is most important to focus on rather than getting overwhelmed by all the millions of details with homeschooling or having a kid who does online school and needs lots of support. On the dashboard, there's a menu which is consistent on every major page to help you quickly get to where you need to go. There are links to each child. They have their own page. And in a future video, I'll show you how easy it is to add your kid or kids. This template is built from the ground up to support multiple kids. You have an events calendar showing field trips or to-do list items, whatever you've got planned for the week. And there's a daily notification alert that shows how many of today's assignments are complete and an alert to let you know if there are any overdue assignments. There's an attendance widget that shows each child and a little snapshot of their attendance for the current semester and a single click button to take attendance. The most important is the today's assignment section. It is a list of all of the assignments, but filtered to show just today. So it shows each kid and their assignments, as well as what class, what unit, if you set that up, and the due date today, a checkbox. So as you complete assignments or your child completes them, check them off. You can even assign a score. In the notifications, we see one of today's 7 assignments are complete. Let's check one more off. 2. It updates in real time. And if you'd like, you can filter it to show only unchecked. So then as you check them off, they disappear. Oh, that's so satisfying. And at the bottom is the list of overdue assignments. And same thing. Check that one off. It disappears. And our overdue assignment count went down. Here's the to-do list, which is linked to this events calendar. So if you add a to-do list item and give it a date, it'll show up here. So that's the dashboard. Everything you need to know to get your day started, stay organized, take attendance. It's all really quick. And in the next couple of videos, I'll show you how some of the different features work. Thanks.